In fact, I have people reporting back to me that using just this simple method that I'm sharing, they're able to get their YouTube channels monetized in as quickly as 11 days. What's going on? So today I have a super quick and powerful video for you, so be sure to watch the whole thing because I'm going to show you a method you can use to blow up your channel, even if it's a brand new channel or you just haven't had luck growing your channel yet. And I'm going to show you proof that this works by looking at one of my very own channels that I'm using this method on right now, and you can see the results live. And so before we get started, don't forget, if you want short to the point, step-by-step videos that actually teach you effective methods for growing on YouTube and don't waste your time, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out, because the faster you learn, the faster you earn. All right, so here we are. We're on one of my other channels. Many of you know that I have multiple YouTube channels, and this is one that I actually got monetized really quickly a few months ago, and then I didn't do anything with it. I was in a niche. I didn't like the niche. I decided to change the niche. But in the meantime, it was pretty dead. You can see right here, nothing going on, just a few views, getting as low as 40, 50 views a day to almost 5,000 views in the last 48 hours. You can see this is live. It's updating right now as we speak. You can see it right here flashing. And in about the last 10 days, I got another 379 subscribers by doing what I'm going to show you in this video, and generated about $109 in AdSense revenue. Most of that came within the last 10 days, and I'll explain how I was able to do that here in a second. But as this continues to grow, I'm likely to finish out this month with at least a few $100s on this channel alone. And then as I continue to use this method, within a few months, this channel should be well up over $1,000, if not a couple $1,000s. Now again, if I rode this channel out, I could continue to grow, but I have multiple channels, so I spend time on each one so that I can diversify all my income and I don't have to rely on just one channel. So I'm going to share with you two major points and the things that I've done. So point one is, you notice right here, I did this on purpose. These little marks down here, this is a video. This is when you look in your analytics, these represent the videos that you are uploading. So I did this on purpose. So this channel, like I said, has been dead for a while. I posted one video back towards the beginning of April, and that was it. You can see there was virtually no change. Nothing happened. So then what I did was, a little bit ago at the end of April, I posted two videos on the same day. A little bump, but nothing really happened. So then what I did was I consistently started posting a video or two every day. And actually one day I posted 3 videos right there. Every day, consistently, boom, 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 and you can start to see things happen. And again, while this isn't like a $1 million channel yet or anything like that, you can see the impact posting consistently has. And so what this is called, most people refer to this as a 30-day challenge. I'm about 10 days or 11 days into that challenge. And I've done this on most of my channels that I've started up, as I bombard them with videos for about 30 days to get them to take off so they can start to grow. And then the next thing I do, I'm going to share with you another powerful secret to get this to work even better, which I'll share with you in a second. But if you just want to get all my secrets and supercharge the growth of your channel using all my personal methods and tools for growing channels quickly, becoming a YouTube partner, earning AdSense revenue, and even monetizing your channels for additional automated income like I do, check out the link in the description to my video series where you can watch over my shoulder, copy me, and set this up for yourself. And if you do click that link and come on over here to where the video series is and you scroll down, you're going to see where other YouTubers that are enrolled are simply following the steps and sharing the results they're getting right here. And I recently added a new section in the video series where I can show you how to get a YouTube channel monetized no matter what niche you're in, and very, very quickly. In fact, I have people reporting back to me that using just this simple method that I'm sharing, they're able to get their YouTube channels monetized in as quickly as 11 days. So again, that link is in the description if you're interested. Okay, so back at this method that I'm talking about. So step one is be consistent, post at least once a day if at all possible, get that momentum into your channel, get it to grow, and YouTube will reward you for putting that content out there. You still gotta do good videos, put out good content, good thumbnails, but if you can do it consistently, that's a huge key. Then the other thing you're gonna do is you're gonna notice that some of your videos that you're posting are actually doing better than others. And so you're gonna wanna analyze the thumbnails of those videos, the title of those videos, the content of those videos, and double down on it and just do more of them. And you can see that's exactly what I was doing here. I had a video that was doing well here. One of these first few videos did better than the other, so I did a similar video, a similar thumbnail, similar title, got a little spike, did the same thing, another little spike, spike, and that's all I do. I keep capitalizing on what's working, and the best way to do that, to see what's working, is to put out a ton of work. And then you can look back and say, oh, out of these 10, 15, 20, 30 videos, if you do it for a month, these 4 or 5 did amazing. I'm gonna do more videos like that. But if you're only posting one video every week or one video every couple weeks or a month, it's gonna take you a long time to figure that out. And you're gonna get passed up by people like me that are gonna be out here grinding and doing this. And so let me leave you with one more thing. When you're setting your goals, it's great to have, end goals like, I want to be a monetized channel. I want to be a full-time YouTuber. I want to have 1 million subscribers. Those are great goals to have, but those are end goals. Those are what should motivate you. But really what you want to focus on are your daily goals to get there. That's all that matters. And so one of the biggest benefits of this type of a method is that all you're going to focus on is what you're doing. You're not going to focus on the results yet. So a lot of people will start out saying to themselves, at the end of this month, I'm gonna have 1,000 subscribers. They'll post a handful of videos. They won't get very many subscribers. They'll realize they're not gonna meet that goal, and then they'll quit. That is not what you wanna do. What you wanna do is say, I'm gonna post a video, at least one video, every day for the next 30 days, no matter what. I don't care if I don't get any subscribers. I'm gonna do this every day. That's my goal. Not to get 1,000 subscribers, but to post a video every day. And that way you can get through those tough times where you're not seeing growth, but you'll still be making progress. You'll still be learning, and you'll still get to one of those videos that's gonna blow up before you quit. And then you're gonna learn something. And then you're gonna apply what you've learned to future videos, and you're gonna learn more, and you're gonna keep doing that over and over. And that, again, the more you do this, the more videos you post, the more you're gonna learn, and the quicker you can grow. So that said, I hope this motivated some of you that are willing to put in a little effort. Go out there, do the 30-day challenge. Let me know what you think in the comments below. With that, I'm gonna wrap this video up, and I'll see you in the next.